What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change the canvas and artboard size in your Adobe Illustrator application. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. While setting up a new illustration, you can change your width and height before starting. In case you want to change your canvas size after making changes to your project, then navigate to File, Document Setup, or use the shortcut Alt, Ctrl and P. On this window, you can change the document bleed in pixels or other units. Another way to change your canvas size is to use the Artboard tool. Use the shortcut Shift and O to toggle the tool. You can switch your workspace to anything other than Essentials, which will help you change the orientation and canvas presets in this drop-down menu. In addition, you can add new artboards when clicking on this plus icon. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.